You want to open?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cup.
Do you want to open it?
Shop.
Yeah? Who gave it to you? That's your birthday present. Who gave it to you?
Bike.
Bike? Who bought it for you?
Oh.
Who bought it for you, Elias?
Baby.
Yeah.
Open.
Elias, who bought it for you? Who bought the bike for you?
Bike.
Who bought it for you?
Yes.
No. Mommy and Daddy. Happy birthday, Elias.
Happy birthday.
Elias, happy birthday.
Birthday.
That's your birthday gift.
Oh, open. Open.
Open?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy open, okay? Do you want to ride it? That's your own bike. It's Elias's bike.
Why?
This is Elias's bike.
Nice. Got you a bike for your birthday.
Alright.
Whoa.
You want to get your bike out?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Bike.
Whoa, Elias.
Cut. 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 Bike.
He's very observant. Huh?
Yeah, I saw that.
He only saw the he just saw the brand. He memorizes the
Yeah, I think
brand.
they remember the
He
brand.
saw the logo and he said bike box. But he usually doesn't look outside, you know?
Yeah. I don't know how you saw it. I don't remember.
I thought he went upstairs and you told him.
Nope. I didn't even know it, right?
Yeah, I knew it, right? I knew it was there, but I was waiting for you. I knew before him that it was there. But I just
you
didn't
saw it already?
yeah, I just didn't say anything.
Oh yeah.
So when he came down, I told I was like, oh, okay, you guys told him.
Okay, then Daddy, I'll assemble it for you, okay?
Okay, I still have to put it
This is
together.
for a higher seat. This is for a bigger kid. It's already got a seat here, see?
Bike. Bike. Bike.
You want to ride it?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy put it together.
I like that. Right.
Whose bike is that, Elias?
Okay, no.
He saw it, but I was hoping to get assemble it and then see it in the computer.
Is it Elias's bike?
Oh. There's a bike. It's a.
Okay, you can start filming now. Then we can